Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need to be well into the game with access to the Velvet Room and a high-level party. Once done, gather personas you can sacrifice, list their arcana and levels so you can hit exact fusion thresholds. Make sure you have enough yen and SB items. Fusing high-tier personas drains resources. Begin with 2 intermediate fusions to create required base personas. This prevents wasted attempts and helps you meet level and skill inheritance targets for Suzaku. Now you perform the multi-step fusion chain. First, confirm precisely which base personas combine into Suzaku. If a direct fusion exists, select those. Otherwise, fuse intermediates that match level and arcana requirements. As you combine, choose skill inheritance deliberately. Pick 2 skills to pass down that suit Suzaku's role. Pay attention to level caps and cost. If a fusion fails to produce the expected result, roll back by recording which inputs produced which outputs and adjust the chain accordingly. Finish by fusing your final 2 prepared personas to obtain Suzaku. Check its level and skills immediately and equip or teach any missing moves. If Suzaku lacks desired skills, you can use skill cards, additional fusions to overwrite, or refuse from a saved slot. Make sure to save before the final fusion so you can reload and adjust parent personas or inheritance without wasting resources. If a fusion misfires, retrace your chain, tweak inheritances, and retry from your save point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.